I'm Paige Bowser, founder of Breezy Soap and Bath Factory here in Abbeville, South Carolina, and we use the Primera LX500 color label printer. We started making soap and bath products in our home in 2007. In 2012, we started going to farmers markets and craft shows and selling our goods to the public. And at that time, we were printing labels on paper and applying them to our products. I decided to open a brick and mortar store here in 2016. I knew that I needed to step up my game with my packaging. After doing some research and getting a recommendation from another soap making friend, I decided that the LX500 was the perfect way to professionalize my packaging. We decided to print our labels in-house instead of having them outsourced because it gave us the flexibility that we needed. So not having to invest in label stock that we wouldn't use was a great business decision. We have a product called No Melt Lip Balm, and I currently wholesale it in stores all the way to Hawaii. And we also offer customizable options with that. That would not be possible if I didn't have the Primera LX500 printer. My business plan went from, plan A to plan G pretty fast. We were just able to move and shift and pivot in a moment's notice and be creative, which is what our business and a lot of small business is all about, is being able to come up with that product for a group or an event in your town, and you can create it immediately instead of having to wait. If you're a small business looking for professional quality, cost-effective packaging, the Primera LX500 color label printer is the best investment you could make.